In the CleanAtlantic project, we work to strengthen the protection of biodiversity and marine ecosystem services in the European Atlantic by fighting marine litter. The aim is to improve the knowledge and capabilities to prevent, monitor and reduce litter in the marine environment. We also promote awareness and change of habits in our society. Organisations from 5 different countries are working on a multidisciplinary and multi-sector approach. We collect and evaluate all available information to generate reports and interactive maps that show the existing data on the presence of marine litter in Ireland, the United Kingdom, France, Spain and Portugal, as well as the most relevant and inspiring actors and initiatives to face this problem. We compile the knowledge and resources generated in European and national research projects. We facilitate access to them through a friendly online database and study the economic impact that marine litter has on our society. To increase our knowledge and ability to mitigate the impact of marine litter in the environment, we are developing applications to store and analyse data collected in the marine and coastal environment. Among other activities, we test, improve and propose protocols and technologies for monitoring the presence of marine litter and its effects on marine organisms. We study in detail the environmental impact of cotton buds and cigarette filters, and study in depth the role of marine litter as a vector for the spread of invasive species. Regarding its location, we're developing hydrodynamic models of transport of litter in the sea to predict areas of accumulation, as well as assessing the importance of land and maritime litter sources in its formation. With this information, we propose different future scenarios for reducing marine litter. In parallel with the research work, we collaborate with the fishing sector and the local authorities to gather knowledge and implement good practices. Among other activities, we're organising pilot actions aimed at the prevention and reduction of marine litter. This allows us to address the management of waste on board and in ports, the implementation of fishing for litter schemes, both during the fishing activity and dedicated campaigns, the retrieval of lost or abandoned fishing gear, or the cleaning up of beaches. The CleanAtlantic project is clearly committed to increase the level of social awareness of this problem by producing awareness-raising materials and organising dedicated activities that favour the change of habits towards a more sustainable behaviour.